All right, what's up, everybody? Today, I want to tell you about an easy way to make $100 per day with a relatively small account trading Forex. So, I've been trading for almost 5 years now and finally got the hang of this stuff. So, I've come up with multiple different strategies for making money in the markets. So, $100 really isn't too difficult to make. You can easily get there without doing anything risky or necessary, risking no more than 2% per trade, which is what I recommend you do anyway. So $100 per day is a decent amount of cash to bring in on the side while you're still learning, and a decent income until you can either fund your own account to 10,000, which is where you can make some really good money, or you start working with one of the prop firms to get a larger account. So here's how to do it. So on a $2,000 account, you would need to make 5% each day to get to $100. You could get there in a bunch of different ways. You could do 2 trades, risking 2% with 1.25 reward. This is the fastest and the easiest way, and that's the way that I recommend. You could risk 1% on 1 trade, winning 3 reward, and one other 1% risk trade, winning 2 reward. You could do 2 trades of 1% risk with 2 reward apiece, and then another 1 reward trade. As you can see, there's multiple different ways you could achieve your goal of 5% per day, and it should only take 1 trading session, usually less than 5 hours. So this is a good way to make extra money while you're still working your regular job. But if you only have a $1,000 account, it'll be a little bit more difficult, but it's still very doable. You'll be better off risking 2% per trade since the account is smaller. So with this account size, you could do 4 trades with 1.25 reward apiece, or 1 trade with 3 reward plus 1 trade with 2 reward, or 2 trades with 2 reward, 1 trade with 1 reward. The types of reward you'll be able to get will vary from day to day. On choppier days, I recommend going for a lower reward. On days where the market is more aligned and more steady, you could go for a higher reward. You can see that on a $1,000 account, this is a lot more difficult. You could either just go for $50 per day instead, or you could trade 2 sessions to be able to get all the trades in. So you could trade the London and New York session, or the Asian session and the London session, or however you want to do that. To make 100 per day pretty easily, I recommend you go with the $2,000 account. Although it is doable on a $1,000 account, getting to 10% every single day is a little bit difficult. So definitely I recommend the $2,000 account, or just go for $50 a day on the $1,000 account. So those are the different trades you need to take. As far as the patterns we trade here at the Currency Collective, there are 7 high probability patterns in total. For beginners, I recommend you go with learning the trend continuation, the engulfing top and bottom, and the double top and bottom. I think these are some of the easiest patterns to learn, and they usually come with at least 2 or 3 reward. So all of these patterns are covered in detail in the Profitable Forex Trading course over at ccscollective.com. So make sure you go and check out the course. I cover where you enter the trade, how to properly manage the trade, and where you should exit the trade for maximum profit. And everything else you need to know about trading Forex is also covered. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. Make sure you go and check out the course and the website. Follow me on the socials, and I'll see you guys later.